A swarm of strange jellyfish-shaped drones appears in the skies over Iran. According to a U.S. pilot, they were unlike anything he had ever seen. They seemed to move together as a single organism, ignoring winds that should have scattered them apart. The objects weren't described as conventional drones. They weren't fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, or even quadcopters. According to the pilot's account, the objects appeared dome-shaped, with multiple appendages hanging beneath them, giving them the appearance of floating jellyfish. April 2026, a US F-15 fighter jet is shot down deep inside Iranian airspace. Almost immediately, competing theories emerge. Some claim the aircraft was destroyed by an IRGC surface-to-air missile. Others insist it was brought down by a shoulder-fired missile hidden in the mountains. But the truth becomes far more powerful when it's told by the person who survived it. On July 23rd, a CNN report introduced a startling new detail. According to the report, the surviving F-15 pilot claimed that moments before his aircraft was hit, he had observed a swarm of mysterious jellyfish-shaped drones operating nearby. Suddenly, the debate was no longer just about what struck the aircraft. It was about what the pilot had seen in the moments before the crash. The pilot's statement immediately caught the attention of military analysts. If the drones were truly present, what was their purpose? Were they conducting surveillance, gathering intelligence, or were they somehow connected to the attack itself? At this point, there were more questions than answers. What investigators did know was that these strange objects had been observed in the same area where the F-15 was operating just moments before the aircraft was lost, and that coincidence was becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. So, what really brought down the F-15 over Iran? The honest answer is that we still don't know. The surviving pilot reported seeing a swarm of strange jellyfish-shaped objects moments before his aircraft was hit. That testimony is real, but there is no public evidence proving what those objects were, who controlled them, or whether they played any role in the shoot-down itself. They may have been reconnaissance drones, they may have been part of a larger military system, or they may have been completely unrelated to the attack. For now, the jellyfish drones remain one of the most mysterious details to emerge from the conflict. And until more evidence becomes public, the question remains unanswered. Were they merely witnesses to history, or part of the event that created it?